Thanks for coming back and watching another one of my Lowrance off-road videos. I'm Stephen Lutz with Rugged Routes, and today I want to show you guys how this USGS map has come together. I've been working on this map for an extremely long time. It's given me a lot of trouble, and basically want to show you guys a comparison between what the Lowrance units have mapping-wise out of the box and what this topo map that I've put together based on USGS data, how it changes things. So on the screen here, this is the HDS7 Gen 3, and we're looking at Big Bear Lake here in Southern California with just the internal mapping. So as you can see, there's not a whole lot going on. Watersheds and some marine stuff kind of loaded in here. Some basic highways, but nothing very fantastic. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up this menu here. I already have the SD card in the unit, and I'm going to go to Chart Options, Chart Source, and you'll see here it says Rugged Routes. This is the inserted map. So I'm going to switch to that and give this thing a second. So you can see here that everything's changed. Basically, we've got our elevation lines that have just been brought in, and all of our Forestry Service roads and other local residential roads have just been brought in. So as we zoom in, you'll start to see we have Highway 38 in here, a couple, well, there's a bunch of residential stuff. And then we get up into the forest a bit farther, and we start seeing some of the Forestry Service roads like 2N79Y. Rim of the World Drive, it goes by a couple of different names, runs into 3N14, 2N13, and we start to have all the roads with Forestry Service names back in the forest. So this map does not have satellite imagery in it. It covers the lower 48 states all in one chip, and it's now available on the Rugged Routes website. So if you're just looking for a basic topo map that's going to cover a massive area, such as the lower 48 states all in one shot, this is going to be your best bet to do it all in one way. I don't think there's another product on the market that offers this type of mapping for the Lowrance. So just wanted to show that to you guys really quick, and I'll drop a link to this product on the Rugged Routes website in the comments below or in the description below the video. So thanks for checking this out, and we'll catch you in the next video.